Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure tracking is live, check your GA4 property, and that the GA tag fires on every page. Once done, link Search Console and enable Google Signals so you can access query-level insights. Next, define the events and parameters you need, page view plus any custom keyword parameter or UTM capture. This captures the how and where users land. Make sure to save and publish the tag, and then validate with real-time reports to confirm data flows correctly. Now you focus on collecting and shaping keyword signals. Pull Search Console queries for impressions, clicks, and CTR. These show real search behavior. Then import that data into GA4 or create a custom dimension to pass captured query strings or UTM keyword values. Once mapped, build an exploration. Apply segments for organic traffic, add filters for landing page, and include your keyword dimension alongside engagement metrics. This gives you the layered view you need to analyze which queries drive valuable sessions. Finally, interpret the data and act. Sort keywords by conversion rate, engagement, and recent CTR movement to pick optimization targets. Once you identify winners and laggards, create targeted landing page tests, refine meta tags, or adjust content to match intent. Set up recurring reports or automated dashboards so you monitor trend shifts. If things go wrong, check your tag firing, confirm custom dimension scope matches event type, and remember Search Console imports can lag. Re-verify after fixes and rerun validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.